Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some pleasant conditions across the region this morning. Seeing temperatures rising into the lower 80s already this morning, and I'm going to see those highs in the lower 80s today. So we'll see in general temperatures kind of maxing out right around they are currently across the area, with a northeast wind coming onshore and increasing. So that should cap our temperatures for today. Overall, though, for today, we're going to see in general good conditions. Not going to see much in the way of cloud cover for this afternoon, seeing a good amount of sunshine, as well as seeing fairly low chances of any pop-up showers or thunderstorms across the region, with those under 10%. So looking like a good day in general. Once we move into Tuesday and Wednesday this week, going to see some unsettled conditions across the region. We'll see an upper level trough building into the Great Lakes. We'll see several upper-level disturbances moving through our area along our frontal boundary, and that's going to give us multiple rounds of showers and thunderstorms. And some of those thunderstorms could be strong to severe, especially on Tuesday, as well as producing some heavy rain and continuing through Wednesday. So taking a look at our current surface analysis, we do have a stationary boundary just off to our south that's going to return across the area overnight tonight as a warm front. Also seeing Tropical Depression 2 across the northeastern sections of the Gulf of America. This morning, that's going to continue to slowly move and is projected to become a tropical storm the next few days and move towards Louisiana, and not really affecting our weather other than giving us a bit more moisture across the region. But overall, we're going to see this area high pressure move off the coast today. That's currently affecting or impacting our weather, with a warm front moving in for tonight. And then we're going to see several rounds of showers and thunderstorms moving through for Tuesday and Wednesday along the stationary boundary across the region. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we do have anywhere from partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies across the area currently, with that 6,000, 8,000 foot cloud deck continuing to erode as expected this morning. And we'll continue to see that in general, seeing that mostly sunny to partly cloudy sky today. Taking a look at the HRN model here for today and tomorrow, you can see in general good conditions today. Any of that shower and thunderstorm activity will be well off to our south and to our west. Overnight, we'll see a warm front moving through, and that's going to give us a chance of some isolated showers and thunderstorms tomorrow morning. And moving into our Tuesday, we'll continue to see those scattered to isolated showers and thunderstorms throughout the morning hours on Tuesday. But once we move in the afternoon hours, we're going to see a good amount of heating across the region, as well as instability build, a fairly strong upper-level disturbance moving through the region. That's going to give us a good trigger for those showers and thunderstorms across the region for Tuesday afternoon and the evening hours, and some of those could be strong to severe across the region for Tuesday, so we'll continue to monitor that. But overall, looks like those showers and thunderstorms will be in and out of the area throughout the day on Tuesday, so it looks like a fairly active day. Once we move into Wednesday, going to see showers and thunderstorms continuing to build across the region throughout the morning hours of Wednesday and continuing Wednesday afternoon, so it looks like multiple rounds of showers and thunderstorms for Wednesday. And with that dry conditions across the region currently, this rainfall will be beneficial across the region, and could be seeing anywhere from 1 to 2 inches of rainfall across the region for Tuesday into Wednesday, and possibly seeing some isolated higher amounts with the thunderstorms across the area for those 2 days. So looking at our European model here for the next several days across the region, you can see here our Tuesday, we start out the day with some isolated showers and thunderstorms, continuing in the afternoon. More showers and thunderstorms across the region. And Wednesday, we'll see this boundary stall across the region, and we'll see more upper-level disturbances moving along that frontal boundary, seeing some moisture being filtered in from this depression over the Gulf states, and that's going to give us additional moisture over our area. And you can see here Wednesday continuing those showers and thunderstorms, and even possibly lingering into the morning hours of Thursday with a chance of some showers. But once we move into Thursday afternoon, high pressure builds in from the Great Lakes, giving us some pleasant weather, lower humidity, and in general some really nice conditions for Thursday into Friday. Looking at Saturday, first half of the weekend, could see this front start to retrograde towards the area and give us a chance of shower and thunderstorm on Saturday. European here showing a possibility of that occurring. Not very much agreement among the models of that on Saturday, so we'll continue with a dry forecast this time, as this area high pressure will most likely dominate our weather pattern from Thursday through Sunday. Looking at our risk chart for today, we should see those highs in the lower 80s today. As I mentioned, already seen that that temperature around 82 degrees. That was the forecasted high here. So could be seeing a high today around 83, 84 degrees. With those northeasterly winds to southeasterly winds, should see those high temperatures capped in the lower to mid 80s today. For the overnight low, we'll see a high, low of 75. And overnight, we're going to see that chance of a shower or thunderstorm across the region, about a 20 to 30% chance of that isolated shower or thunderstorm starting around 2 local tonight and continuing through the morning hours of Tuesday. Our winds, as I mentioned, be southeasterly around 8 to 13 knots this afternoon, and then more southerly overnight around 7 to 12 to 6 to 11 knots. So other than the chance of an isolated shower or thunderstorm, green chart across the board for our risk chart here. Looking at our terminal forecast, in general, should see VFR conditions today, and we'll see some lower clouds building overnight, especially we do have that shower or thunderstorm overhead, seeing some lower ceilings. Our tides are running normal at this time, and looking at our Tuesday into Wednesday. Tuesday, partly to mostly cloudy with a chance of morning isolated showers and thunderstorms, then mostly cloudy, breezy, warm, and humid, with late afternoon and evening thunderstorms. Some of the thunderstorms could be strong to severe with strong wind gusts on Tuesday. We'll see a high of 87 degrees. For Tuesday night, mostly cloudy to overcast. The showers, thunderstorms likely. Some of the storms could be strong once again with strong wind gusts and as well as heavy rain, low of 75. And for Wednesday, we'll see mostly partly cloudy skies, breezy conditions once again, showers, thunderstorms likely. Some of the storms could produce heavy rainfall across the region on Wednesday, high of 85 degrees. So precipitation chances, looking at a high-end orange here, around a 70% on Tuesday, Tuesday night, and Wednesday, looking at that red condition for our rainfall, so expecting rainfall. And as I mentioned, some of that could be heavy for Tuesday night into Wednesday, and hopefully that is some beneficial rainfall across the region. Looking at our thunderstorm chances, orange across the board here for Tuesday through Wednesday, so looking at good chances of seeing lightning within 10 nautical miles for these time periods, as well as seeing our wind gust equal to or greater than 25 knots. It could be seeing that stronger convective gusts with any lines of storms moving through the region for Tuesday through Wednesday. So the next 7 days, as I mentioned, that high-end chances of showers and thunderstorms for Tuesday and Wednesday, temperatures in the mid to upper 80s for Tuesday and Wednesday. See here cooler conditions for this time of year build back in for Thursday, Friday, Saturday, with temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s, so some much more pleasant weather, as well as lower humidity values, especially once we get into Thursday afternoon. Friday, Saturday and Sunday, we see that humidity start to build back in the region, but temperatures still capped in the lower 80s, it appears now, with a slight chance to very slight chance of a pop-up shower thunderstorm Saturday afternoon, with that frontal boundary kind of moving back towards the region, giving us a bit more moisture across the area. That's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back tomorrow morning, 8:15 at 10 a.m.